Hi and welcome back to our channel. In this episode, we went on a journey to a beautiful forest to cook a delicious grilled chicken breast with mushroom ragu. The forests are starting to get greener. Plants and trees are growing at a fast pace, and others die like this tree which was cleaned by the woodpeckers. Dead trees also give life to many species of fungus and plants. Squirrels are still feeding from the nuts that they deposited last year. Blackcurrant flowers are blooming, and we can't wait for the fruits to use them in a special recipe that you will see in the future. Seeing how hard the bumblebees are working pollinating the flowers, we thought to start to cook our special recipe. So let's get to it. For this recipe we used dill, basil, smoked paprika, chili powder, chicken breast, champignon mushrooms, porcini, honey mushrooms, parmesan, olive oil, salt, ground pepper, heavy cream, white onions, and garlic. For the exact amounts, look in the description below. We had a rough day because the wind was very strong. We have managed to light the fire, but it was quite a challenge. We proceed by slicing the chicken breast. We cut it in thin slices and we add them to a bowl. We use chicken, but you can use any kind of meat you like. We chose chicken because it has a low fat content and it is rich in proteins. We clean a few cloves of garlic and we dice them very fine. We add them to the meat and we season with salt, ground pepper, smoked paprika, and chili powder. We add some olive oil and we mix everything well together. Our marinade is ready and we start to grill our meat. This marinade is full of powerful spices, so it doesn't need to sit a long time for the meat to absorb it. We grill them until the internal temperature gets to 75 degrees Celsius or 167 degrees Fahrenheit. Not more, because it will be too dry. When done, we let them rest for a few minutes. We will continue by preparing our mushroom ragu. We dice some garlic. We clean and dice a half white onion. We slice up the mushrooms. We use 3 types of mushrooms. The honey mushrooms are sweeter and creamy, the champignon have an earthy taste, and the porcini mushrooms have a strong nutty and meaty flavor. We love them. In a hot pan, we add some olive oil, and we sear the white onions and the garlic. We add the mushrooms and we let them cook for a few minutes. We season them with salt and ground pepper. While they are cooking, we grate some parmesan. We continue by adding the cream. We add the parmesan. We stir until it melts. And we season with basil and dill. We use dry seasoning, but if you have fresh, it's better. We cook it until it renders to a silky smooth sauce. And last, we add some freshly chopped parsley. Our mushroom ragu is ready, so we top it with a grilled chicken. This mushroom ragu is wonderful on its own, but it goes well with some spicy grilled chicken. If you enjoyed our video, then subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. See you next time.